things. It's a lot of bad things that they wish and they wish and they wish and they wish and they wishing on me. Bad things. It's a lot.
What's going on YouTube? Slick Camaro back with another video. So yeah, as you seen, I had to stop by the gas station real quick because I just left UPS. I had to pick up my part right here. This is my RotoFab cold air intake. We're about to do a quick unboxing video when I get to the house so we can see exactly what I got, and then we can go from there. So yeah, let's go ahead and do it. Alright, so I'm back at the house right now. As you can see, I got the box right here with me. This is the RotoFab cold air intake right here in this box. We're gonna unbox this part so y'all can see exactly what I got and everything that's inside. So let's go ahead and get right into it. But first, let me move the box so we can get a better angle on the box. Alright, so here go the packing slip information. Go ahead and get this out first. Go ahead and open it up. Alright, so y'all gotta bear with me. I'm doing this with one hand. Hold on. Let's see how it looks. Alright, so the first thing I see is the filter right here. And then right here it says, if you plan to reverse the RotoFab badge and use the red logo option, please do so before installing your cold air intake. The badge and fasteners are much more accessible before the air box is secured in the car. So basically they're saying if you have the if you don't like how the badge looks that comes on the box itself, you can change it out, but they want you to do it before you install it. Alright, so here goes some of the accessories that you need in order to install the cold air intake. Go ahead and set that aside. And I can tell right here, this is the sound tube delete. Now, if you don't know what this is, it basically, the original cold air intake by RotoFab comes with a sound tube, and basically it ports the sound from the cold air intake to the inside of your car, inside the cabin. So what this tube right here does, which is called the sound tube delete, it does the basically the opposite. Instead of porting it inside your car, it just keeps it inside the engine bay. I mean, I don't really see the purpose of having a sound tube, because if you have a loud exhaust like Corsa like I have, or a cammed car, and honestly you don't even need a loud exhaust system, you're basically not going to hear the difference by having the sound tube. So this sound tube delete right here basically keeps the sound of the cold air intake inside the engine bay. So go ahead and set this to the side. Alright, so here we have the dry filter that you get from RotoFab. So you have the option of getting this right here, the dry filter, or you can get the oil filter. It's up to you, but I got the dry filter instead. This right here is the actual box that the dry filter fits in. So the filter fits right inside that box right there. So let me take this out too. Here we have another accessory for the cold air intake. And then last but not least, we have the instruction package. So I'm pretty sure this is everything that you need to know or have in order to install a cold air intake. Earlier I mentioned the logo, the RotoFab logo that they was talking about. So basically this red badge is what you put on the cold air intake box, and they want you, if you do decide to do it, they want you to do it before you install the intake. Let's go ahead and put everything back in the box. Oh yeah, I also forgot to mention this box right here. So basically what's inside this box is my upper grill for my front bumper. Alright, so if you've been keeping up with this channel, then as you know, I have the American Authority ZL1 bumper. So the ZL1 bumper from American Authority comes with the bow tie delete. Alright, as you can see down there, there's no bow tie on the front bumper. So what I went ahead and did, I ordered an upper grill right here. I went ahead and ordered this upper grill from eBay so I can put on the front bumper. Now if you do have the American Authority ZL1 front bumper, there is only one other upper grill that'll fit on that bumper. So if you get the LT, LS, or RS upper grill, that is the only OEM upper grill that will fit on your front bumper. Alright, so if you get a OEM SS or OEM ZL1 upper grill, that would not fit on the ZL1 American Authority front bumper. Okay, so that grill that I just showed you, it is the LT, LS, or RS, one of them, I can't remember which one. They are pretty much the same thing, upper grill. That's the only thing that that can fit on that bumper. That's what I have, and I'm going to give y'all another video in a few days on me installing that upper grill. All right, so I have to take off the front bumper in order to do that. I'm gonna bring a video y'all way so y'all can see it. And that's basically it, man. So thank you again for tuning in to this video. Drop a like, subscribe to the channel. I have another video dropping tomorrow. Make sure y'all tune in for that. So like I tell you on every video, thanks for tuning in.